Oh, and by the way, this unit is glueless. So, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Get out of there. Mornings with the little one. Say hey. Say hi. She got a cold and she will not let me clean this nose. Say hi. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I already have my face beat, and this video that you're about to watch is my very first install from Tokyo Bradshaw. I've been mentioning it on my Instagram, which you'll see below, that I wanted to book appointments with you guys' favorite hairstylist. So he was the very first one. He's from Philly. He actually came to Atlanta. Tokyo then came to my in Atlanta. Do my hair. It's a glueless method. I got it done yesterday, so this is actually me waking up the next morning, and let's see. That's what I want a video of it being brushed. You did this shit. This shit is glueless. First of all, I ain't never had my hair done like this. Like, ever. Like, glueless. And don't have to use nothing. No hairspray. No foaming wrap. No nothing. Wow. Wow, bro. See, I wrapped it, but I kind of like ghetto girl wrapped it. Okay, so she's still Dion. It's glueless. He curled it. Dang, I messed up my curls a little bit. Just a little bit. My method wasn't too solid. But it wasn't too bad either. I gotta put you down though, because these are hot. They're gonna get hot. So this is actually the next day. I love the layers. I love, put that, my future hairstylist. Come on. Okay. Okay. Hey. Hey girl. Hey girl. Hey girl.
cute in here.